Ghana is set to become the industrial hub for a sub-region, following a raft of policies being put in place by the government to reform the manufacturing sector. The new wave of initiatives is designed to strengthen the investment environment for manufacturing and boost the value-added component of the country's manufactured exports. With industrialization being a core component of state policy, local manufacturers have benefited from several public and private initiatives, of which includes the 10-point Industrial Transformation Agenda. The 10-point Industrial Agenda will drive investment into strategic industries such as automotive, iron and steel, pharmaceuticals, textiles, and industrial chemicals. Notable among this agenda is the audacious One District, One Factory plan, which aims to facilitate the establishment of at least one medium to large-scale industrial enterprise in each of Ghana's 216 districts. The One District, One Factory has led to the rapid setup and expansion of factories across the country, creating opportunities in the areas of agro-processing, apparel production, construction materials, and more. As the new automotive policy continues to create a conducive ecosystem for the offering of an automobile hub, renowned car makers such as VW, Toyota, Sinotruk, and others have begun assembling vehicles locally. The establishment of special economic zones and sector industrial parks with several incentives has also boosted growth of Ghana's manufacturing sector, leading to an increase in export of manufactured goods. By hosting the AFCFTA Secretariat, Ghana is better positioned to expand its exports of manufactured goods, with growing demand across West Africa and the rest of the region. Come grow in Ghana and grow with Ghana.